Hi everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel and to the 5 days of Halloween that started yesterday with day 1 and wands. The wands from yesterday, put them over there. I am so thank you all for all of your lovely comments and that you were enjoying the tutorial. I don't have a tutorial today, but the next 3 days will all be tutorials. And I love teaching, and I am glad to do them when I can and when you want them. And you all know that my 6x6 album tutorial is still being made. It's been in the process. It's, you know, you can only do a little at a time, and I don't want to show it in here's one piece of the album this week and nothing for 8 more days. I'm trying to make sure it's all done, but anyway, I was so happy to read all the comments, and I thank you all so much. So the 5 days of Halloween continues today. Hashtag Halloween fun. And Susan sent me this. Well, two, obviously, the one I used in this one. Picking this up. You know what that is? I would never have guessed what it was, but it's a mermaid tail. And she thought it would look cool as a witch's hat, and I must agree that I think it does. And all I did with mine was cut off this part. That's it. And I tried really hard to incorporate it in here somehow. This was the best one I ended up coming up with, was like tucking it in here in behind the flower a little bit. Now I'm trying to make it do it again and it's resisting. But I was gonna do that. I still might glue that down now that I've done it again. I don't know. I have to move my little puppy moon sticker over here, but that's all I did, was just remove that part, and I thought the rest of it, even though most witches' hats don't have a spirally piece, how do you know? How do we know it doesn't? Maybe lots of fashion forward witches love to have a twirly hat. I don't know, but this witch does, because this is a twirly hat. And I added a flower and a bow and lots of bling, like always, and a couple of cats and the moon. These are Jolie's stickers, and the best witches instead of wishes. So, and I thought that matched a witch's hat. So that's all I have today. I, put glitter cardstock and the paper from the collection I'm using this month, and inside I just put this web piece. I love this paper. All the distressing splats are my favorite. I splatter everything if I could. It's awesome. So I put that on the inside, and that's that. I need to stamp on the back. I forgot. And that's what I have for today. The next 3 days, like I said, are all going to be tutorials, and I hope you like them. And I hope that you just enjoyed my take on how to make a witch's hat out of a mermaid tail. And I will see you in my next video. And I can't wait to read today's comments. And you're all awesome. Stay awesome. Bye.